to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, I'm really excited to share. I'm doing some DIY Chanel inspired cute little Valentine's Day gnomes. I hope you enjoy. To start this project, you're just going to need 2 white socks. Taking the first sock, you're going to take some scissors and cut just above the ankle. Once it was complete, what I did here is took a large coffee mug and I filled it up with some rice. And what we're going to do is we're going to add that rice inside the sock. Now what I did here is I filled it up twice to get a nice full effect. Then I'm going to take an elastic band and secure the top in place. Band is in place, you're then going to take some scissors and trim off the excess from the top. I'm then going to take a piece of floral wire, guys, and I'm going to tie this to the top so it will stand upright. I'm then going to take one of these pink bed salts, and this is going to be our hat for our little gnome, and I'm going to place it over the top of the wire. Secure and in place, I'm then going to take another one of those elastic bands and I'm going to tie the top of the bed sock. Now I also took a packet of these beautiful little blush pink pom-poms and I'm going to use one of these for his nose. Then took some of this white Santa fur, and what we're going to do, guys, is cut about 5 centimeters square, and we're going to make little beards for our gnomes. We're just going to take that piece and then you're going to cut it at an angle either side. Glue his nose and beard in place. I then took these adhesive rhinestone strips and I wanted to add a little bit of glam to the hat of my gnome, so I added these around the bottom. Now this certainly wouldn't be a Shell DIY without a touch of Chanel. So I printed out these cute little Chanel logos from Google. I then cut out a piece of cardboard the same size and I glued it to the cardboard. I'm going to use these as little brooches for our hats, so I glued them to the left hand side. I also added this dollar store white pom-pom to the top of his hat. Now guys, I just wasn't happy with the way the hat was sitting, so I took it off, and what I'm doing here is just adding some hobby fill inside. I then placed the hat back over the wire to give that nice full effect. I then started on my second cute little gnome. Guys, just keep in mind to use that hobby fill in that pink sock. That way it will definitely give that nice round fullness to your hat.
You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up
and here are my adorable little Chanel-inspired glam gnomes. I'm so happy with how they came, guys. They were such a simple and inexpensive project to do. I love how I incorporated the pink colour because I'm using pink throughout my home at the moment. And with Valentine's Day coming up, I think these would make such a beautiful gift idea.
Touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine.
I was so excited to make these for you guys. I have been loving gnome decor at the moment. I got that big pink one just before Christmas and I'm just loving everything that is out at the moment of these cute little gnomes. I love that they can take on so many variations for different seasons. Like we've just seen so many beautiful Christmas ones. But now with Valentine's Day coming up, you could personalise this for your special loved one. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home. I love sharing home decorating ideas for you to enjoy, and I love everything glam. I know that you enjoy watching my DIYs as well as my room tours and inspirational ideas, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to become a part of Shell's Glam Home family. Also follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Shell's Glam Home too, where I post daily inspiration of my glam decorating ideas in my glam home.
You told me that it wasn't right. I knew it first that time, and even if I was blind, and all those possibilities really knocked me
you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own Chanel-inspired gnome. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shells Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.